What's up guys, D-Dub's Garage here. We're back again, and in this one I'm going to give you a quick tour and a rundown of the new digs. So fast forward a few weeks from hopefully the last video I uploaded, or one of the second to last ones where I was showing you guys the motorcycle lift. We have found a new place, new temporary home, which is pretty cool. Basically one of my customers back in the day, I worked on his electric glide, which he then took for a 4,000 mile trip up in Canada, and it didn't blow up, so that was good. And then basically worked at, not restoring, but just updating his, I think it was a 71 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It had the big 455 in it, and it was a white top convertible, which is pretty cool. So I did a ton of work to that. He was really pleased with it. Super nice guy. So nice and so generous that this is actually an old hangar where him and his dad used to park helicopters. Crazy, right? I'll actually show you guys right now. There's a chopper spotter. That's something else on top of it, but we'll get to that in a later video. So that is what they used to pull into here. That's why this door is so massive. And then it's actually a really cool barn. I'll show you guys a couple clips of it right now. There's actually a man cave on the far side, and then a wood shop in the middle, which is pretty cool. So basically he said free charge, which is crazy, just because he wanted this place cleaned out. I'll include a few pictures of how dirty it was right here. He told me I could come in here and do my side work, which is really cool. So in life right now, I'm sort of realizing that YouTube probably is never really gonna be a full-time thing for me. Which is totally fine. Obviously I said that was like the dream, but sometimes dreams are a little bit crazy, especially with my kind of level of editing and all that. You never know. So I'm gonna keep doing it for you guys because it's something I enjoy. It's cool to get the comments and kind of just have like a side thing. But really the goal in life is to eventually get really good at working on motorcycles for, you know, however many years, and then hopefully open my own place at some point. But for now, tomorrow, I'm actually gonna go have my first opportunity at a independent shop, which is really cool, for bikes, obviously. And then really just see where it goes, and then hopefully do this stuff on the side. I have a 300ZX soon that I'll hopefully be doing some pretty cool work to. I've always wanted to work on one of those. It's a 1990 twin turbo V6, so that is really exciting. The truck that this camera is actually sitting on right now, this 89 Dakota, my twin is amazing at detailing, so we detailed it. We posted online, it's for sale. So hopefully we can get that thing going. And then a little more room in here. But just a quick look around for you guys. You can see, pretty cool place. Got my toolboxes in here. The lift's just over there for now because I have to sob halfway in there, so I had to pull the truck way forward. Those are all the parts for a mini bike I'll be building soon, hopefully. Tire balancer, tire machine stuff. So really have pretty much close to everything I need to do some, you know, pretty routine maintenance and then repairs as well, which is pretty cool. It had a bunch of cool old Snap-on stuff in there. I'll just show you guys that right now. Some old taps, well, dies more, and then one big tap. And then I think these were probably for working on the helicopter. You guys can see some huge standard Snap-on sockets. So when I was cleaning the place out, I just figured, you know, I'm not gonna throw something like that out. That is cool. So just a bunch of cool old stuff. It's a really cool area. It's nice and quiet back here, which I really like. It's also a little creepy at night, I will say, especially walking through here. The lighting is not great. I'm hopefully gonna upgrade that if I stay here for a while. And then it just, I don't know, it's one of those places you kind of look over your shoulder like expecting to see something, but there's nothing ever there. There might be some sort of wind or creature living up there because every once in a while I hear it rustling up in that corner. Obviously I don't think a ghost would be chilling in the corner, but anyway, just thought it'd be a cool thing to show you guys the new digs. Pretty excited. I am super blessed. Obviously not everybody has an opportunity like this to keep all their stuff somewhere, so I'm super lucky, and I know that, and I really want to basically make good on it. I think what I'll do is end up servicing this guy's stuff for free because he has an old SL coupe I think from the 60s, which is really cool. That Cutlass, he's got a CTS-V actually, and then that big old Electric Glide Harley. So I'll probably end up doing his stuff for free just as like a thank you. I know I've been talking for a while. I see the count on the camera is about 5 minutes, but just thought I would show you guys around for a sec. Pretty cool. And hopefully soon we'll have some cool videos coming out of here. 300ZX, and then hopefully I'll be having that full-time job. It's a bit of a trial, so we'll see. But can't complain. Life is good. And out there, I hope you guys are still wrenching. See ya.